All right, these are just some red potatoes that I boiled for 20 minutes and chopped up. Now I'm gonna grab some red onion. I super diced this because I don't like big chunks. Oh, that's okay, that's plenty. All right, let's just get that, all over our potatoes. If you don't like onion, you can totally skip the onions. And these potatoes are nice and well done. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab some dill pickles that I chopped up, and we're gonna sprinkle that right in there as well. It's gonna be so good, you guys. Okay, go ahead and distribute it amongst your potatoes. Now I have this real crumbled bacon, and we're just gonna do a nice sprinkle in here. Just add some nice, meaty flavor. Ooh, yeah, that looks so good, you guys. Grab some green onion, and I did wash this, and I'm just gonna chop some green onion right into this dish. Super easy. I love just cutting it. Because it makes my job so much easier. And this is gonna complement that bacon flavor in there, and it's gonna be so delicious. Okay. That looks so good, you guys. So excited. All right, I'm gonna put this to the side and grab some hard-boiled eggs. And then right here I have a little chopper to chop up my eggs. And I'm gonna throw in 2 eggs in there. This should just fit nice and easy. Okay. Go ahead and lock this baby in. Okay. And then pull this, and we're getting some chopped eggs. Beautiful. Go ahead and check that out. Oh yeah, that's exactly what we want. And I already pre-chopped some in here. This is gonna be 4 eggs total. I was gonna do 6, but I think 4 is plenty for this dish. Okay, go ahead and grab your hard-boiled eggs, crumbles, and just sprinkle them into our pasta salad. Smells so good, you guys. Okay, now let's go ahead and season this. I have some Himalayan salt that we're just gonna grind right on top. And then of course, some black pepper. All right, and add as much salt and pepper to your taste buds. Beautiful. All right, now it's time to dress this up. I'm gonna grab some real mayo, and we're gonna use a lot of this because there's a lot of goodness in here. We're gonna use about 1 cup of mayo. Okay. All right, once you're done with your mayo, gonna go ahead and grab some mustard. Let's make sure that's all the way at the bottom. Shake it up a little bit. And we're gonna do about 1/2 cup of mustard. Okay, that looks so good, you guys. All right, now to make this easy on myself, I put it in an aluminum pan. I'm gonna go ahead and put this top on, and we're gonna give this a nice shake. All right, let's check this out. Oh yeah, perfectly mixed, and it's ready to go to your picnic. All right, I need to try this right now. All right, let's go ahead and get a nice bowl of our potato salad. All that good bacon and the eggs and the green onion. This is gonna be so good, you guys. Okay.